Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Alors aujourd'hui, Ananas, on va montrer aux élèves comment dire et comment écrire la couleur violet. So if you want to learn how to say and how to write the color purple in French, we will help you. Oui, alors on y va. So this is how the color purple is written in French. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. And you notice the T is silent. So violet. Bravo. So if you're describing an object that's feminine, then you are going to make changes to the ending of the color. So for example, la fleur. So la, we know it's a feminine object because it begins with la. La fleur est violette. So the spelling is V-I-O-L-E-T-T-E. And we pronounce those two T's. So let's try that again. La fleur est violette. Bravo, on continue. Alors, si c'est un objet masculin, so chapeau is a masculine word because it begins with le. Le chapeau est violet. So did you see? There's no extra T and there's no extra E at the end. So, le chapeau est violet. Bravo, bravo mes amis. Alors, Ananas dit à la prochaine.